AP engineers making equipment, saving energy, control pollution.
We are all familiar with the word pollution. It's one of the major crises we face in today's world. We have plenty of water and air to meet everyone's need. But the access to fresh water and air is too limited. Millions of people are dying. Many are suffering from different health issues due to the long-term exposure to the contaminated air and water. Here, we want to introduce to you all a perfect solution to put an end to this crisis. It's biofiltration. Although the footprints of biofilter can be found around 150 years ago from England, it was successfully developed in the late 1970s and 80s. We AP engineers provide our own manufactured biofilter in any required size, meeting the requirements of the customers. Our biofilters can be preferred in almost any industries, likewise chemical, petrochemical industries, waste and wastewater treatment plants, fish feed industries, pharmaceuticals, oil and gas industries, meat processing units and sewage treatment plants. We use patent-approved media to fill the boxes of biofilter. These biofilters are manufactured using stainless steel non-corrosive material, which is lightweight, corrosionless, high strength and perfect for handling. Up to 3/4 of the vessel is filled with biomass. That's the filler material, which finally is the breeding ground for microorganisms. During the process, the polluted air stream is carried to the bottom of biofilter via a duct line. Here, the temperature is brought to atmospheric temperature in order to protect the microorganisms. It is then slowly pumped through biofilter to upwards, where the pollutants get absorbed onto the biofilm and then the fresh air is let out. For most of the biofilters, the residence time ranges between 30 seconds to 1 minute. Here we recommend a conditioning period of 2 to 3 weeks if large boxes are in use. One of its greatest applications is in treating water-soluble volatile organic compounds and those toxic gases which are the main pollutants of air. We prefer it over other conventional methods because it is of lower capital cost, low chemical usage and no combustion sources required. On the basis of whole, the design, which can be altered to any shape or size, perfectly fitting into any industrial settings, have made its demand even higher. We AP engineers assure you an efficient and faithful service all along the way, where together we can make a pollution-free environment.